So this is the video for today. Can't even control it. Can't even control it.
Hey, what's up guys? So here's the thing. My quadcopter crashed from the sky a couple days ago and is like totally ruined. So I bought the mainframe from the internet again and I'm planning to build one again. And I was thinking maybe I can make a video about how I built this quadcopter to share with you guys. So here's the video, please enjoy.
The first step is to make the copper clay circuit board. Now we're gonna dilute it a bit. Hello, beautiful. Let's wait for a while to let it dry. Oops. I am cutting down the edges so it would be more beautiful. By the way, I'm using STM32 for main control and Arduino Micro for converting PWM to PBM signals. If you have any further questions, just leave a comment below. So, this little guy here is called the air pressure sensor. I'm gonna use it to measure and hold the altitude of my quadcopter so it won't jump up and down while I'm flying it. But there's still a problem here. Because this guy is so sensitive that even a light wave can have a big impact on it. You don't really want the sun to mess up with your quadcopter, right? So what we're gonna do to solve the problem is that we're gonna use these two caps and we're gonna stick them together and throw it into the hole. Boop. So hopefully I'll get what I wanted. So I made a hole here and on the exact opposite side here in order to let the air flow in the structure. Meanwhile, still can block all the light from the outside.
Assemble.
So today what we're gonna be doing is to test my quadcopter, which I started making since a week ago. I'm gonna be testing it in my old abandoned house. As you can see that it became my gym room. Obviously this is not a perfect place for testing such thing. It's very dangerous. So as you can see, the quadcopter is blinking now, indicates that it's working fine. So we're going to take off. So, obviously, everything was working perfectly fine.
Oh shit! Is it rolling? Did you see the crime scene?
You didn't see anything. My father will kill me if he sees this video. I'm gonna make some modification next time. I'm gonna use this GPS for holding the quadcopter. You can see that this GPS is already mounted on a quadcopter, but I'm actually faking it. It's not using a GPS data because I haven't figured out how to use it. In the next video, hopefully you can see me using the GPS model for navigation. So if you're not too busy, please subscribe and see if I'm alive in the next video. What do we say in the end of the video? Maybe peace. But saying peace is quite idiotic and retarded, don't you think? So, peace.